Hello, my name's Quentin Brown and I'm the owner of Digital Products Creation. I started creating products back in 1998 and I semi-retired about 3 years ago. And during this time I created websites, some software products, a lot of training products, graphics, etc. So I have a whole range of material I can show you how to do it yourself. And so this whole program is really about teaching you how to create digital products, how to sell them, and then how to market them. As you go down the page, you can read some of the things we'll teach you. You can also access one of our videos. Now, we created a lot of the videos ourselves, plus we bought licenses to a lot of great videos that help you to understand the process even more. So you get a really wide range. You're just not getting me telling you how to do it. You're getting a whole bunch of top professionals from around the world helping you to build your digital product career. This is me here with my wife on a trip to China. This is one of our customers, Lily. She started with us about 15 years ago and ended up building a very successful magazine, a really good success story. We also have a bunch of digital products. You can go visit it here at msincome.com. We sell a lot of training materials that you can buy and resell. And if you stay a member of our program, you can actually go and get a few free for subscribing. If you want to do the training on any device, you can do it on a mobile, on a tablet, on a laptop, on a desktop, or even on a TV. Just simply go and create an account. I charge $10 a month for 10 months, or you can also go to our one-time payment and just pay $80 up front. Once you've done that, you'll get an account. It's just a matter of then going to my account, signing in, adding your username and password, then you'll see all the training here on the right hand side. So in the introduction we go through what digital products are, etc., and we go through a whole bunch of processes that we use. So for example, if we go to digital products, this is the layout. Now this is the free, we offer these for free, and as you can see we give some graphics, some text, some images, and many of the others have videos as well. When we go into publishing, we go into ebooks, magazines. We've created a lot of magazines both for ourselves and for our clients, and so we show you exactly how we put together magazines. These are all our own proprietary tutorials. We then go into audio and show you a little bit about podcasts, voiceovers. We also sell audio packages, so we buy audio with licenses and then package it and sell it to customers. So we'll show you exactly how to do all this and where to get it. We do the same with video, so we buy stock video and resell it. We produce our own videos and resell them. The great thing is these days, programs like Zoom allow you to record your training and then package it up. We go into website design, Photoshop. How to use Photoshop makes it very easy. Photography and stock photos. We also show you how to set up a little IT firm and do things like cybersecurity, consulting, tutoring, etc. We also show you how to set up courses, how to become a social media manager, which is becoming a new and very sought after job at the moment, how to become an influencer, how to do marketing, lots of things on how to market your products. Just added this one on Microsoft Ads, in which we give you 50 videos on exactly how to set up Microsoft Ads. Microsoft Ads are on Bing, and while lots of people don't consider Bing very popular, it gets millions of views every day and there's 50 videos here on how to use it. And because it's not as popular as say Google or Facebook, you can get the ads a lot cheaper. But here you can see Microsoft Search, it was 7.74 billion, approximately 82.6 million Bing searches per day. So that's nothing to sneeze at. There's lots of good stuff there. Plus we also tell you how to do all the rest. Then we show you how to set up your products. We use WooCommerce, but you can use Shopify or Etsy, which are also very good. We show you how to sell affiliate products, in other words, sell other people's products, make commission or recruit your own. How to do your accounting, how to do a product launch once you create your product, and then how to be a freelancer. So there's lots of stuff in here just waiting for you, and I'm adding to it on a regular basis. So we probably add an extra course every month at least, and plus you get access to our range of products that we sell on top of that. So my name's Quentin Brown. Thank you for watching this short tutorial, and I look forward to seeing you inside.